Okay, what else we got here? This one. That's a kicker gear. Large kicker gear for a K model, not a Sportster. They look the same, but they're different. So when you buy these, you buy them for one reason. These are 100% better than aftermarket crap. That's why you buy these. The kicker gears get worn out right through here on this plate, and because the other gear comes up and hits against it, it's supposed to slide it over. So it eats right through here real easy because the gears are really hard on aftermarket, but the plates here are soft, so it eats up the plates. The gear teeth don't get hurt. So you can see how it gets worn down here at the bottom. So this would be the bottom of the stroke, this would be top maybe. It's hard to tell. They're worn about equal. But they're not really worn, they just got wear marks, but they're not really worn. See, there's no indenting going on. So you always buy these ones like this because these are the good ones. So when you see the copper plating on the plate out here, that's for heat treating. Whatever you copper plate doesn't get case hardened. And over on this side here it's not plated, so it gets hardened on this side. So it gets real hard on this surface, but it's soft on this, so it won't break off. It won't be so brittle. And they rivet it to the gear is through hardened. So there you go. So you always look for plates that are like this, and then you look for wear here, then teeth are last. Teeth can be just about gone and still work, but when these aren't in here, the kicker doesn't work right. Now, just between a K model and a Sportster is, K model is flat right here. See how there's no offset right in here? Here or on this side. Sportster, it's going to be kicked up on one side. I think this side sticks up, and they're different. So these are really thin. They're only the height of the plate here, which is only about 3/8 material, whereas the other bike they're probably 1/2 inch or better. Probably closer to 9/16, I bet, thick. I don't think I have one laying around here where I can find one quickly. Let's see if we got something laying around in here just in front of us here. No Sportster crap laying around here. There's a motor in here somewhere. No, no kicker gear laying there. Nope, no kicker. Oh well, can't show you one because I don't have one in front of me. Oh well. So anyway, these are what you're looking for. You're looking for the old place. That goes for Big Twin also, same thing. So anyway, this one's for a K model or a KH, which is 1950 to 56. 57's when Sportsters came out, and they're made a little bit different. So anyway, there you go. Just a nice part.